Hey guys, it's Little Gamer, and this is episode 13. Wait. Ow. So, anyways, let's get decorating. Yeah, there. Alright, for everything. See. Crap, my room's still off. Actually, I'm gonna use that stone wall. Grab that. Put it over here. Make as much wood wall as I can. And what I'm gonna do, go over here. Break that. And what I'm gonna do is, do I have enough? No. Okay. So, no, let's do 2 more. Boop. So, let's grab some more wood. Let's go and get some more wood. I don't even need that much though. Drop. I think this will actually do. Because out of 1 piece I make 4, so I only need about 8. So actually this might even be more than enough. These little stumps. Let's go. Jump. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright. 16 should do the trick. Now, I'm just thinking, if I do that, when I do beat the wall of flesh, stuff can spread, but I don't know. I guess, never mind, I won't. I don't want to take the risk. Not that way. Jump. Wait, oh, what? I have a grapple? Oh yeah, I have a spider. I want to get as much wood as I can. That wood isn't the same kind of wood, so I'm gonna go through the snow biome. Look for some more. I have no hope, but I have some blocks. I guess I have to. Stupid thing. should be able to get up. Now get up there. There we go. Ooh, a life vessel. Right on land. I've never seen that. Jump. Ooh, nice flower. I think I'm going to pause it. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like, of course, and be sure to subscribe. Bye. Boop.